Hey, what's up everyone? Do you have old cheap Game Boy Advance games just laying around collecting dust? Why not repurpose them and make them into cool gifts? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn these old boring video game cartridges into something cool and exciting. So, let's start. I had these three Game Boy Advance games, which I never even played, but I bought them a while ago because they were only 99 cents. So I thought I could repurpose them for something. So the first thing I did was just to remove the old labels using a guitar pick. If you have access to a humidifier, that also helps loosen up the old labels. Once you remove the old labels, you can use Windex or mild cleaner to just wipe off any residue. Next, you would download the GBA template, which I actually included in the description. And you open up the label using Photoshop or GIMP. I just use GIMP because it's free. Next, you import whatever picture you want for the label and place it where it says place artwork above. From there, you can resize or move the picture so that it fits. If you want to take it a step further, you can also add like the ESRB ratings or other logos to make it look cool and funny. You can also use ChatGPT to generate funny images like I did here. Instead of Fortnite, I made one that said Fartnight with people holding their breath in the middle of the night, so I thought that was kind of funny. For this other one, I called it Watching Paint Dry the Game, and put an old man watching paint dry through a magnifying glass. Next, just print the label using the default settings. The paper I used was glossy sticker paper by a company called Buttercrafts. Now, all you have to do is carefully cut out the labels and place them right on the center. Finally, I went to the store and I bought these magnets called ceramic disc magnets for like $5. Have you ever noticed that the GBA cartridges have like these little dimples in the back? Well, I simply just dabbed a little hot glue there and placed a magnet on top of it. And there you go. You've repurposed those old, boring, unused games, made them into something cool that you could give as gifts or just use to decorate your home or office. Alright, that is all for this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what kind of parody games you would like to make. I'd really like to hear other people's ideas. And with that, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks.